I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini's features right now. So there's a few different tools you can use in Google Gemini. One is you can create an image. So if we go a AI robot walking through Toronto, Ontario, flaunting his stuff, we're going to create this AI image, and that is one of Gemini's tools that you can use right here. There we go. Here's an AI robot walking through Toronto, Ontario, flaunting its stuff. So we got some AI swag, and then we're in Toronto, Ontario. Now, if we look at another tool here, if we go to Canvas, we can actually start a new chat here, and you'll see some suggestions. Write a thank you note for a job interview, build a fireworks generator, build a weekly workout routine. So you can generate and code apps here, but let's just build a weekly workout routine. And this is a tool that can just help you outline and create apps and do coding for you as well. And so here is a full weekly 6-day progressive workout routine. Another thing we could do is use the deep research tool. So if you think of something like Perplexity, it's exactly like that, except it is Google Gemini. So what do we want to research? When are the next one championship fights in Thailand? And it's going to do some deep research with Google Gemini. There we go. Here's the plan I've put together. One championship fights in Thailand. Search the official One Championship website. So it is searching all of the information from the internet. It is analyzing the results and creating a report, and it'll be ready in a few minutes. All we have to do is click Start Deep Research. It's thinking, it's getting the strategy to find the dates, focusing on Thailand's regular events, and then it's getting action plans. So it's initiating 2 sets of searches. So it's thinking about where it's going to search and what links and sources to search from. Researching websites. So it's researching 1FC, even Wikipedia. And so here we've got some immediate upcoming events confirmed. And let's see when it is. November 7th, 2025. So that is just coming up. One Fight Night 38. And so there you go. It did some deep research for us on the One Championship fights in Thailand. Another feature that you can use as well is the VO video generation. And if you want to use that, you have to subscribe to Google AI Pro. And as you can see here, create high quality video clips with limited access to VO 3.1. And that is how you use all of Google Gemini's features.